sell our dreams and our potential to
Blood
escape
artist.
through that buzz. Just keep me up, Hollywood, here we come.
Leyline would be good. Land would be good first. Oh yeah, we need red now. Shoot. Well, we can resto.
Tend to go a little too far with some of these things that have very strong addictive qualities, pills and syrups.
Let's catch him off guard with the resto. Giggity.
I can only speak for myself personally. You know what I'm saying? We had been toning down the content of certain things in the music lately. My new album, of course, probably won't have any references.
Probably just attack with the vampire though.
It's a little bit more than the music. I think it's going to start affecting the
We can chump.
personal lives of a lot of
We'll just
artists.
chump with one of the splicers. Or the golems, I guess. We'll get to red. We'll get there. Oh, we got quite the audience going. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Brett Bagley, Jinmos, LeBeau by Night, Mezerin, Saga Royale, Snafu, Stucat, Vincer TV. On of Ulamog. Wow, okay. Getting his engine online. No attacks. Oh yeah, block with the splicer and then resto it. Yeah. Good. That's a good thing to think of too, yeah. Land, mountain, outpost siege, not bad. Not bad, not shabby. I guess I start beating down with resto. I don't know. And cast his outpost siege, hope to hit some lands, drawing 2 cards a turn, basically. You don't have much time, though. This guy's got some kind of serious engine going here. There we go. Now the attack comes. Okay. see. +2/+2 for each creature, so you can sack. So I'll just block with one golem. That'll make him sack 2 things to it. Is it his first strike? Okay. First sack. Lose 1 life. Gets the pawn token. +2/+2. Comes another sack. Oh, you can sack the spawn token. I want to draw lands. I want to at least hit a land drop next turn. I've got a lot of chumpers. Yeah, it's a tough call. I mean, I'm not saying I did the right move. Interesting. Does he have a backup or something? Not sure what's going on here. Oh, rally. Yeah. Yeah, I had that Rest in Peace game too, so that shut that down. He didn't draw it this game.
Hey, we're the Dropkick Murphys from Boston, Massachusetts.
Okay. Base reward. Yeah, Rally the Ancestor, same kind of idea. Let's see what he can get me down to. He must have another Rally in his hand. Return to the ranks, yeah. Yeah, I think you were right. I think I should have exiled the Blood Artist, probably. That's what's doing the most damage. His life total doesn't matter if I pull off the combo. It's gonna be close. Another siege, that's not what we wanted. And another plane's not what we need either. Now we're well away from hitting Kiki. I don't know if we can get there now. Yeah, we have to hit the combo now. His life total is way too high. Yeah, I'm not worried about it. I need to get some mountains. I think he's got this. I'm at 3 life. If he gets a Blood Artist. Or another Vampire. Okay, so that's game. You can sack both these vampires to kill me. We're gonna need some life gain in this deck. You can only sack 1 to trigger? You can't... Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Okay. I'm at 1. I'm at an effective 1. Yeah, Kitchen Finks and then blink it with Angel.
Thank you. Pregnant and die. She doesn't even go here. And none for Gretchen Wieners. Bye.
He'll block and then sack. Probably.